Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change Darmanitan's form using an easy method. Darmanitan is a unique Pokémon known for its two distinct forms, Standard Mode and Zen Mode. These forms offer different strategic advantages in battles. We'll explore the specific ability that allows this transformation and how you can reliably trigger it. This guide will help you master Darmanitan's full potential, making it a versatile addition to your team. Let's dive into the details of its fascinating transformation. The secret to Darmanitan's transformation lies in its unique hidden ability, also called Zen Mode. This powerful ability allows Darmanitan to switch between its two forms dynamically during a battle. When Darmanitan's health points fall to exactly 1/2 or less of its maximum, the Zen Mode ability automatically activates. This sudden change can turn the tide of a battle, surprising opponents with a completely different set of stats and type. It's a crucial mechanic to understand for effective use. To easily activate Zen Mode, your primary goal is to reduce Darmanitan's health points to 50% or less. This can be achieved through various battle strategies. For instance, you can use moves that deal damage or allow your opponent to attack it until its health is low enough. Be careful not to let its health drop to 0, as it needs to remain in battle to transform. This method ensures a consistent and controlled transformation, maximizing its battle utility. Once in Zen Mode, Darmanitan undergoes a significant transformation, not just in appearance, but also in its battle capabilities. Its type changes, and its base stats are reallocated, typically boosting its special attack and special defense. This makes it a formidable special attacker and a more resilient Pokémon against special moves. Understanding when to trigger this form allows you to adapt to different opponents, providing a powerful strategic advantage in various battle scenarios. It's a truly versatile Pokémon.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.